Hi friends, you are just Sarvesh Mrigang Prime. I'm Sarvesh Chauhan. Today I will show you how do you hack Subway Surfers. So first you can go to Google. Here you can write Subway Surfers mod APK. Then you can go to first link. Here you can click download. (62.6 MB का फाइल है दोस्तों. Friends, it takes 7 seconds. Here you can download it. Then come here. Here you can go. Here you can install this file. From here you can install this file. Then we will go to Subway Surfers game. And this is a very easy task to hack the Subway Surfers game. It loads. Loading. It is a very simple task. Tap play. Tap play. You're watching, friends. There is your keys, your coins. There is all things are hacked through this video. You can easily hack the Subway Surfer game. So please, friends, subscribe my channel for latest videos. Like this and share it. Thank you.